Can you open it?
And he bought the stuff that goes with it. But
he bought a Ruger like you're a
Can you figure out how to open it?
He bought 2 guns. Bought another one too.
Mine.
You need some help? Please? Please help? Okay.
Oh, dang it.
Can you get it now?
Wow, you need yours.
I want to get a different one.
What's in there?
I was trying to talk Eric into buying mine. I want to get a Glock.
What is that?
You have to be 21 to buy them.
Can you open it?
I like that.
No, the Glock is a...
You put it back inside.
You can be 18 and
Can I open it and see what it says?
Yeah.
The Glock 19 like Brian.
What does it say?
That's a good gun.
Alright.
Put it on him, Heidi, so we can get a
3 or
picture.
$3.50, something
Put
like
it
that.
on
That
me?
paid more with the stuff that I got.
Oh,
it's a fun cup.
And it's
Fine.
got
Can you
4
take the rest of the paper off this, too?
You might
Nice.
Hold on.
Guns keep their value.
It was great because when we were, Eric bet me dinner that he'd have better shots than me. I just stood up there and he couldn't hit the target. But no, it's
There,
it's
and the
great gun.
cup.
I love it, but it's just a
There.
little
Can you say
bigger.
thank you?
And for something that I want to carry, I just want a little bit.
Thank you. Can you?
I can't.
Thank you. Thank you, Emily.
I gotta
You say thank you again?
No, I need money.
Thank you. Thank you.